The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? And the two videos is police officers related. You see what I'm saying to you here? Like the two pieces of videos, it shows off police officers in the two videos. You see me? And you know, I'm just going to get into the first video right about now, and I'll explain along the way while I present each video to you. You see me? Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you is going to show off, you know, a person that had went down to the ground during the time when a police officer, you know, is holding the person like he was about to detain or arrest that person. You see me? Now, what that person had done where it went down to the ground, some persons on social media are saying that it is fake. Some persons are saying that the person fainted, and some persons are saying that the whole video is staged. You see me? Now, to my point of view about this video, it looked like it's staged to me at one point, but at the next point, me see where one police officer is talking to another police officer and so on. So me I wonder, you know, if it is real, or is it that it is real for the police officers, but the person that is on the ground is pretending. You get what I'm saying to you? So it kind of have me wondering. So anyways, me bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can actually tell me what you think. You see me? Yeah, it might give me a better understanding because I'm not Mr. Know-it-all. You see me? Alright, so here I'm going to show you the video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and just tell me what you think. Is it that the person that is on the ground is pretending? Or is it that the person actually fainted? Or is it that this whole video is just a staged thing for some form of views and likes online? You know, like social media entertainment or so forth. Alright? Tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? And for those who might not like to see something like this, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Take a look and observe.
Hello. Excuse me.
The policeman put him in the coma. No ball sunny man. No put the man in a coma. He no put a crippled man in a coma. He no put a crippled man in a coma. Call the ambulance there for CJ, somebody. Somebody call the ambulance. Somebody call the ambulance. Somebody call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. The man got the man again. Then we can talk chalk. Somebody call your ambulance for this man. Horace, call the ambulance. Call your ambulance for the man, Horace. They call your ambulance for the man. They call you to the car. Horace, call your ambulance for the man, Horace. Dumplings, what's the ambulance number? 119. 511. We calling the ambulance for you, CJ. Call the ambulance there.
Call the ambulance for the man.
The man calling the ambulance. They going for a start. God bless the thought chop. I got my thing, the feet and tossing over. Someone come calling him, boy, calling you? We calling the ambulance, CJ. Call the ambulance there, that place. I call the ambulance, CJ, don't worry. I call the ambulance.
Bring your God global, you're going on.
Nobody sign the mind. CJ got the whole video. I said this to CJ, but you can talk, man. That man's a purple.
We can treat the mic here, yeah?
You call the ambulance? They're coming, CJ. They're coming. He have a chat and says the man living. Police dog in here, he's waiting for anybody. I feel beat the inside, tell you, Dave. I don't text site, brother. I got that chat in my phone too. Huh? I mean, police don't know here, the police don't body sign here. That woman there see, everybody out here see.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, you know. The video that's out on social media that shows of the person that went down to the ground. Some person said he fainted, you see me? What if possibilities of things me see could have happened to viewers and subscribers? You see me? What if this person is laying on the ground pretending just to avoid being arrested or detained, you see me? And what if this person is actually a young person dressed up looking like an old man, you see me? And what if this person is actually an old person? And what if this person actually had really fainted and really fell ill and, you know, even worse? You see what I'm saying to you? So, you know, this video have me thinking, you see me? Yeah, but anyways, like I said, let me know what you think about this video, right? Is it a real thing that had happened, or is it just a staged thing? Did the person faint for real, or is it that the person is pretending? Let me know what you think. Alright, now I'm going to present a next video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, and this video is going to show off bikers. They are riding, you know, and you know, one of the biker, you know, have on something that would be like a camera, you see me? And that person is on the motorcycle through the traffic and all these things with the camera showing what's going on until They reached a spot where they saw a police officer. Now, what had happened after that, viewers and subscribers? You know, to me, I'm saying to myself, whoa, that motorcycle where the police officer is riding is fast, you know, because to the way how me say the police officer motorcycle just keep going, and no matter how these two persons that are on their motorcycle riding, you see what I'm saying to you? Police officer gone, man. Quick. But I don't think them really did a race with the police officer still, no viewers and subscribers. No, you know, after them reach a certain distance, then them just turn to which part them a go. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I mean, I think anybody out of them right mind, you know, they on the road with a really and truly race with a police officer in a traffic. Like, really and truly. You see what I said to you? Goodly pick up all a ticket for that. So I don't think nobody out of them right mind would have really do something like that. You see me? No, sir. But viewers and subscribers, I am not promoting the whole speeding thing, doing. You see what I said? Not because I'm showing you this video, I am not promoting the speeding thing. Speeding is dangerous. You see what I'm saying to you? I am only showing you this video because it is out on social media. You know, comments have been made about this video. But however, I would like to encourage each and everyone out there, do not speed. Take your time on the road. You get what I'm saying to you? Protect yourself, protect others. You see what I'm saying to you? Protect motorists and protect pedestrians. You see me I say? Or pedestrians, I should say. Alright? Alright, so this is where I leave you, viewers and subscribers. And you can let me know what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? And for those who might not like to see the speeding, viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Take a look and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I'm on. Alright? Yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.